As a responsible woman and the Home Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Anita Garu was expected to uphold dignity, constitutional values, and the rule of law. Instead, she has made abusive, low-grade language and personal attacks for her political identity. Whether it is former Chief Minister Sri Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy Garu, former ministers, or even the respected women like Y.S. Vijayamma Garu and Y.S. Bharatamma Garu. She repeatedly crosses every line of decency and then attempts to shield herself behind the Dalit woman card whenever questioned. She attempts to shield herself behind the Dalit woman card. Home Minister Anita Garu, you have given responsibility to protect the people of this state, not to run diversion politics. While you remain busy abusing political opponents, Andhra Pradesh has been pushed into Jungle Raj. Let's take an example. A Kapu youth from Vijayawada, Krishnalanka, Mr. Gade Krishna, was suspected to lock up death, has become the biggest topic of discussion in the capital, with distributing photos circulating widely on social media. Also, a small girl child remained missing in Kakinada for nearly 2 weeks. With no breakthrough from the police. In another incident, your own TDP MLA Chintamneni Prabhakar Garu in a drunken state arrived with a JCB to bulldoze the house of your own party's legal cell secretary in Denduluru. Yet, instead of protecting the victim, cases were registered against the victim's side. What more evidence is needed to expose the collapse of law and order in Andhra Pradesh? Every day, women, children, and ordinary citizens are living in fear, while Home Minister Anita Garu spends more time holding political press conferences than ensuring public safety. Instead of answering for missing persons, rising crimes, and administrative failures, you resort to personal abuse and diversionary politics. What's your motto is like less work and more publicity. It has become the hallmark of your tenure. You have failed as Home Minister by allowing law and order to deteriorate while using low-grade rhetoric to distract from governance failures.